let's show user. Now I want to show you how you can create a table based on another table. So if we select star from EMP, what if I was concerned about this employees table and I wanted to create a backup from it? Well, I don't have to recreate this entire table structure and then insert all the rows into the table. I can actually create a table from a table. So I can say create table name, right? I'll say EMP backup as select star from EMP. Table created. Create table name. So the table name I'm creating is EMP backup as, and I'm literally using the entire EMP table, which is select star from EMP. So now let's describe this new table I just created. Describe EMP backup. You notice any similarities? Don't you recognize this table as the EMP table? But it's a totally different table called EMP backup. What if I select star from the new table? Select star from EMP backup. Same exact table. All right. What if I only wanted the name and the salary of all my employees, and I wanted it from this EMP table, the original EMP table? All right, so let's clear screen and let's do that. So all I want is this: select ename, sal from EMP, right? Now this is all I want, but I want it from a table. I don't want to have to select it from the EMP table. I actually want to create a table that only has the names, the names, and the salaries of all my employees, but I want to create a table specifically for it. It's very simple. So instead of saying create table EMP backup as select star from EMP, we're going to say create table EMP backup as select ename, sal from EMP. But in this case, because we already have EMP backup as a name, we're going to give it a different name. So we're going to call it employee salaries. Create table EMP, I'll say worker salaries. Workers pay. I'll say create table worker pay from select ename, sal from EMP semicolon enter. Let me see. Oh, I did from. I should have said as. Create table name. Create table name as select and whatever you want to select. Table created. Okay? So pay attention to the syntax of creating a table from another table. Create table, the new table name, as you can see, I made a mistake. I put from. As. Create table name as, and whatever you would like to select from that table. So now let's describe this new table I created called worker pay. Let's describe it. Describe worker pay. Ename and sal are the only two columns. So naturally, let's select star from worker pay. So now you see. All right. So let's select star from EMP for a moment. What if you wanted another table that had a table, not a select statement, but what if you wanted another table that showed everybody's name, job, and hire date? And we'll call it EMP info. Just for fun, we'll call it EMP info. So what we're going to do is create table, and the table name is EMP info as select ename, job, and I think I said hire date from EMP. Table created. Create table, new table name, EMP info as, and what we want is just the ename, the job, and the hire date from the EMP table. So just pay attention to the syntax. Create table name as select blah 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 from EMP. So let's describe EMP info. It's a brand new table all on its own. It has nothing to do with EMP at all. Once we create it, it's a table all on its own. Select star from EMP info. There it is. So now we can do where clauses on this table as well. Select star from EMP info where ename equals Adams. Adams is a clerk and his hire date or her hire date was in May of 87. All right. We can do select star from EMP info, order by 1. So we're going to order by name. Or we could order by hire date. Hit the up arrow, order by 3. So as I said, this is a table all on its own. We ordered it by the third column. So that's the syntax to create a table based on another table. Create table, table name, and I'll hit enter, as, and then whatever you want it to be as. You can do select star from a table, like select star from EMP, or you can select just the names and the salaries from EMP. And when you hit enter, it's going to create a brand new table with the table name that you provided.